Hey everyone, I am going to record this video so that you understand what it is you have to do for engineering for our virtual week 14. So you have two assignments due this week. One is the sea level rise problem and solutions discussion, and the other is the Beat the Flood design challenge. So for the discussion, you're going to research about the problem of sea level rise. The sea levels all across the globe are rising as a result of rising temperatures. And what we know about thermal expansion is that when water heats up, it tends to expand. Also, the glaciers are melting, and so that's just causing the sea levels to rise. And a lot of communities that live on the coast are having to adapt. So, engineers are problem solving about ways to make sure that houses can withstand rising sea levels and not get flooded. So, you're going to research sea level rise. I do have some example phrases for you to research right here. You're going to find an article or a video that interests you, and you're going to post the link to that in the discussion. Then you need to write a full paragraph, so 5 to 7 sentences, explaining what you learned about the problem with sea level rising. I want you to focus on what causes this problem and also talk about some solutions that are currently being tried. After you've done that, like I said, you'll write your full paragraph with your link, then you'll post that. Then you're going to respond to 2 other people's posts. So in your response, I want you to be specific. I don't want you to just say, cool, I liked your post, or anything like that. I want you to actually comment on what it is you learned from their post, or things you didn't know, or maybe adding information that they didn't mention. I do have an example discussion post right here. It's 5 to 7 sentences. I did post the link here. I have some discussion expectations here for you to read through. So after you've posted in the discussion and responded to 2 other people, you're going to go to the Beat the Flood design challenge. So this is where you have to design a house for your community on a low-lying island able to withstand the effects of flooding. So you might want to be thinking about, if you were designing a house that was on an island, how are you going to make it float, but then also anchor it to the ground so that it doesn't float away? So I'm going to read this introduction here. Floating houses are permanently in the water, while amphibious houses are situated above the water and are designed to float when the water levels rise. If the water level rises, they can move upwards and float. The fastenings to the mooring posts limit the motion caused by the water. So you're going to design a house that can float. You can use materials around your house like cardboard, popsicle sticks, cotton balls, straws, things like that. If you don't have any materials at your house and you don't know what to use, you can create a virtual design using Sketchbook. So you can also make a drawing, but you do need to explain, let's see here. So you do need to explain how it will withstand the effects of flooding. So I do have the directions here. The model you build can be materials laying around your house, or it can be a drawing on paper, or you can use your iPad to use Sketchbook. But you do need to either type out an explanation or record a video to explain your design. So one of the two, either record a video or write a paragraph that explains your design and how it would withstand sea level rise. So those are your 2 assignments this week: learning about sea level rise, designing a house to solve it. And if you are lost or don't know what to do, either Wednesday or Thursday at 1 p.m., you can click on this link, and I will be available in Zoom to answer any questions that you might have. Also, if you have questions before then, feel free to email or message me. All right, good luck, guys.